Plant-powered living on a budget. In an era where health-conscious choices are increasingly valued, plant-powered living has emerged as a sustainable lifestyle that prioritizes whole foods from nature's bounty. This approach not only promotes physical wellness but also supports environmental responsibility by reducing reliance on animal agriculture. For many individuals, especially those navigating financial constraints, adopting a plant-based diet might seem daunting due to perceived costs associated with organic produce or specialty products. However, with mindful shopping strategies and resourceful meal planning techniques, anyone can embrace plant-powered living without compromising their budget. The benefits of plant-based eating. A growing body of scientific research underscores the numerous advantages of incorporating more plants into daily meals. From improved heart health to enhanced digestion, these benefits extend across various aspects of well-being. Dietary patterns rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds have been linked to lower risks of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and certain cancers. These foods provide essential nutrients while typically being low in saturated fats found predominantly in animal-derived products. Nutrient density. Plant foods often offer higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to processed alternatives. For instance, leafy greens contain significant amounts of iron and calcium which support bone strength and blood oxygenation. Cognitive function. Studies suggest that diets high in omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in flax seeds and walnuts, can enhance brain performance and reduce inflammation markers associated with neurodegenerative conditions. Fiber intake increases naturally when consuming more plant matter, aiding digestive regularity and fostering beneficial gut bacteria growth. Vegan protein sources like lentils and chickpeas help maintain muscle mass during weight loss efforts or athletic training regimens. Economic advantages of plant-based diets. Beyond personal health considerations lies another compelling reason to explore plant-powered eating: the cost-effectiveness inherent within this dietary framework. Many staple ingredients used in plant-based cooking tend to be less expensive than meat equivalents. Purchase staples like beans, rice, oats, and frozen vegetables at bulk discounts available through grocery stores or online retailers offering wholesale options. These items form the foundation upon which countless nutritious dishes can be built efficiently and affordably. Seasonal shopping tips. Buying seasonal produce reduces prices significantly since farmers sell directly without intermediaries adding markup costs. Local markets frequently feature fresher selections at competitive rates. Meal prepping. Allocating time weekly towards preparing larger quantities of meals allows for better portion control and minimizes impulse buying habits that inflate food budgets unnecessarily. Strategies for affordable grocery shopping. To ensure long-term success with plant-powered living, developing smart purchasing behaviors becomes crucial. Utilizing coupons, store loyalty programs, and discount apps helps stretch every dollar further while still obtaining quality groceries. Plan meals around what is currently discounted rather than following traditional recipe structures rigidly. Flexibility enables smarter use of sales events and avoids waste caused by overbuying perishable goods. Buy in bulk essentials. Items like brown rice, quinoa, pasta, and canned tomatoes benefit immensely from bulk purchases because they retain freshness longer and decrease frequency of restocking trips. Freezing leftovers. Freezing portions of cooked meals extends shelf life dramatically and provides ready-to-eat options during busy days when fresh preparation seems impractical. Simple recipes that deliver nutrition without cost overruns. Creative cooking doesn't necessarily require exotic ingredients. Simple combinations yield delicious results. Begin experimenting with basic components such as grains paired with colorful veggies seasoned creatively using herbs instead of costly spices. Soups made from root vegetables combined with legumes make hearty yet economical dinners perfect for colder months. Similarly, stir-fries utilizing whatever vegetables are already present at home create versatile base recipes adaptable nightly depending on availability. One-pot wonders. Dishes prepared entirely in single pots save both time and energy consumption related to cleaning up multiple pans post-meal. Examples include vegetable curries served alongside whole grain breads or salads topped generously with homemade dressings. Batch cooking. Preparing several servings simultaneously ensures consistent access to healthy meals throughout the week without repeated effort required each day anew. It also encourages experimentation with different flavor profiles safely within controlled parameters. Community resources supporting plant-powered living. Leveraging local networks enhances opportunities for learning new skills related specifically to plant-based nutrition practices. Community gardens provide hands-on experience cultivating edible crops organically while promoting social interaction among participants sharing similar interests. Many urban areas host monthly potlucks focused exclusively on vegetarian cuisine, exchanges between members who contribute dishes showcasing regional specialties or innovative twists on classic favorites. Such gatherings foster culinary creativity along with strengthening bonds within shared communities. Workshops and seminars. Educational sessions covering topics ranging from soil pH management for optimal crop yields to fermented food preservation methods equip attendees with practical knowledge applicable beyond theoretical understanding alone. Online forums. Virtual platforms enable global connections where users discuss challenges encountered transitioning fully onto plant-based diets plus share resources, including free printable guides detailing nutritional requirements versus typical Western diets. Overcoming common challenges in transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle despite its many merits. Shifting toward complete dependence solely on plant sources presents initial hurdles requiring careful navigation. Addressing concerns regarding adequate protein supply remains paramount amongst beginners unfamiliar with alternative sources besides red meats. Protein alternatives. Leguminous plants including black-eyed peas, kidney beans, and soy derivatives like tofu serve effectively as replacements fulfilling amino acid needs comparable those met through conventional livestock proteins. Vitamin B12 deficiency risk. Since natural occurrences primarily exist within animal tissues, supplementation via fortified foods or direct intake becomes necessary unless regularly consuming algae-based supplements known containing sufficient quantities. Micronutrient balance. Ensuring enough iron absorption requires pairing non-heme forms prevalent in plant sources with vitamin C-rich accompaniments which facilitate increased bioavailability rates surpassing mere ingestion alone could achieve. Environmental impact of choosing plants over animals. Selecting plant-based options contributes positively toward mitigating climate change effects by substantially lowering greenhouse gas emissions tied closely together with industrial farming operations involving ruminant animals, notably cattle herds. According to United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization reports, producing beef emits approximately 20 times more carbon dioxide equivalent annually than generating equivalent caloric value derived purely from cereals or tubers commonly featured inside omnivorous diets worldwide. Water conservation. Raising livestock demands enormous volumes water resources exceeding what would otherwise consumed had chosen to grow equivalent calories worth from plant origins instead, thereby preserving fresh water supplies globally. Land usage efficiency. Cultivating grain fields necessitates far fewer square kilometers compared grazing lands devoted exclusively raising farm animals, hence freeing additional territories potentially usable elsewhere, benefiting wildlife habitats. Restoration projects actively underway currently. Conclusion. Adopting plant-powered living offers substantial rewards spanning individual wellness improvements alongside broader ecological gains achievable collectively through informed consumer decisions impacting planetary future generations ahead. By embracing affordable yet nutrient-dense approaches centered firmly upon locally sourced ingredients, coupled strategic planning ensuring economic feasibility simultaneously exists without sacrificing either taste nor satisfaction. Experienced dining pleasure. Traditionally associated Western palates accustomed diverse flavors originating land sea sky ecosystems surrounding us daily.